My name is Murat Ozcihan and I am a business development manager in Bosch Security Systems. It means I often have to use my car, but there is so much traffic, in the rush hours especially. It's virtually impossible to get through via the Bosphorus bridge. In the Eurasia Tunnel, you can reach the other side in 15 minutes by driving under the sea. People want to feel safe with millions of tons of water above them. We equipped the tunnel with video surveillance systems. This helps to identify accident immediately and enables rescue teams to be guided accurately. People can feel safe when driving through the tunnel, and I am very proud my work has contributed to this feeling. See you in Istanbul. İstanbul'da görüşmek üzere.